Lily and the future camera, overcoming procrastination. Lily was a little girl who loved food. Whether it was spaghetti, sushi, or curry rice, she enjoyed every delicious dish. Every time she ate something tasty, she felt exceptionally happy. Her dream was to become a chef and create dishes that everyone would rave about because she loved seeing the satisfied smiles on people's faces when they enjoyed good food. However, Lily had a bad habit of procrastination. She often said, "I'll do it later," or "I'll do it tomorrow," whether it was homework or chores. She always waited until the last minute to get started. Whenever her mom asked her to do her homework, she would say, "Just a minute," and end up rushing to finish it right before bed. This often frustrated her mom. Every morning, Lily also got up slowly, forcing her mom to remind her repeatedly to hurry and get ready for school. She had no concept of time. When it was time to take a shower, she would play with her toys while washing up. At mealtimes, she would watch TV and take forever to eat. These bad habits made her life a bit chaotic. Her room was often messy, her assignments were always late, and she frequently arrived late to school. Her mom tried multiple times to help Lily change her behavior, reminding her that procrastination would only make things harder and might even affect her dreams. One day, her mom decided to use a new approach to help Lily. She said,
"If you can finish your homework in 20 minutes, I'll let you play in the park for an extra 20 minutes.
Lily was excited to hear this and decided to give it a try. Her mom set a timer and started counting down. This time, Lily didn't dare procrastinate and quickly finished her homework. Her mom smiled and said,
"Well done."
Lily also beamed with satisfaction. She finally understood how important it was to finish things on time. To keep her promise, her mom took Lily to the park to play. Lily joyfully ran around, enjoying her rare free time. At that moment, a kind old man approached Lily with a strange-looking camera. He asked,
"Little one, would you like to be my model?"
Curious, Lily replied, "This camera looks so strange." The old man said mysteriously,
"This is not just any camera, it can show you your future."
Lily was astonished and unsure if she should agree. She looked up at her mom, who encouraged her, saying,
"You can decide for yourself."
After a moment of hesitation, Lily agreed to be the old man's model. The old man pressed the shutter and took a picture of her. When Lily received the photo, she was surprised to find a button next to it. The old man explained,
"If you press the button once, you can see yourself 10 years later."
Feeling curious, Lily went home and couldn't resist pressing the button. The photo flickered, and then a magical scene appeared. She saw herself 10 years in the future, busy in the kitchen, but everything looked chaotic. She was holding a plate of charred meat, and the soup in the pot was boiling over. "How could this happen?" Lily exclaimed. "Am I not supposed to be a great chef?" At that moment, a voice came from the photo.
"This is your future. Because you keep procrastinating and don't finish things on time, your dreams cannot be realized."
Lily felt ashamed upon hearing this. She didn't want to become that version of herself. She didn't want her dreams to fade away. From that day on, Lily decided to change. She started taking every task seriously and stopped procrastinating. She made a plan each day and completed her homework on time. Years later, Lily opened her own restaurant. As she watched her customers enjoy the delicious dishes she prepared, her heart swelled with pride. She was grateful that she had overcome her procrastination habits and was able to achieve her dreams. This story teaches us that procrastination can hinder us from fulfilling our dreams. When doing things, it's important to have a plan and follow through step by step. Parents can help their children with procrastination by using encouragement and guidance to teach them time management skills, thus helping them achieve their dreams. Today's story has come to an end. Good night.